back to my YouTube channel. Everyone, this is Luke.
What's up, guys?
As you guys can see from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. And if I can, I actually have a wig and I was going to put it on him too. Alright, so just a little bit about Luke.
I am a military police officer stationed here at MCASI and I volunteered for this.
Yeah, because I was asking people on my Snapchat, like, pretty much who doesn't have a problem with me putting makeup on them, and he was the first one to pipe up and be like, hey, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use and some of the techniques that I use to do makeup, but I'm really lazy, and this look maybe took me about 20 minutes, so I don't do things by the books. Like, I've seen some other YouTubers and they're really organized, but I'm like super lazy, just like throw it all together. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So if I don't do it how everyone else does it, don't freak out on me. You can pick a headband.
I want this one.
The pink one?
Of course.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah, all right, and let me put it on. Give me your head. I can't, I want to put it behind your ears too. Alright, show the camera.
Wait, can I just take a minute to appreciate whatever's going on up here?
You know, the pomade would do that to your hair.
Yeah, it's the gel. I could have fun with this, actually.
I mean,
this could be my look.
First, I'm going to start by using Smashbox. It's our Photo Finish Primer Oil because he naturally has drier skin. So this will help give him that glow and that dewy look. Hey, guys, this is my first boy I've ever put makeup on. Aren't y'all so excited? Don't worry, I wash my hands. Give me your face. He did not shave his mustache either, so we about to be looking...
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, and next, while his skin is setting, I'm just gonna go in with some of this Anastasia brow pomade, and it's in the color blonde because, well, I'm a blonde, so I necessarily don't have your eyebrow color, but it's dark. It's dark enough, and it will do.
Right. Let's do this.
Rainy now. All right, hold on. Turn your face. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, also guys, techniques, I should probably talk about that. I always start like right here. I don't start at like the beginning because then you get that nasty like Sharpie on kind of look, you know what I mean?
I'm so glad I just got my eyebrows done.
Yeah, they looking clean over here. I'm going to be carving out his brows with this NYX concealer in the color Porcelain. Oh my god, so hard to do. I'm sorry. Hold on. Oh wow. Oh wow.
This is literally just like painting a picture.
Exactly. Alright, next guys, since his skin is set and his skin is ready, we're going to be doing the Fenty Beauty foundation. Yep, by Rihanna, you already know, you know what I'm saying? In the color 160. And we're going to be blending it out with this cute little beauty blender that I got off Amazon that was like $1. Saving that money. Saving that money. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, we're going to need a lot, girl. Hold up. Look at that color is, girl. Got a big old head, you know?
You're supposed to make me feel pretty.
Pimples don't matter. I feel like people... Okay, yeah. Let me have a serious conversation with my YouTubers. Okay. Because, guys, I've never had perfect skin in my life. Ever since I was a teenager. You know what I mean? And I've got bad acne scars, this and that. But if someone's going to judge you off of the way your skin looks, then they can F right off. You know what I mean? Like... That is just not cool. I'm just trying to blend you out because this is so white on you. Now I'm going to go in and just clear off any red spots with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is in the color Porcelain. And some of the little spots.
Yeah. Yeah, hide all my little ugly.
Oh, stop. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god, okay, wait, go up. Why is this so funny?
If you do a face, do I have to do it?
Well, I don't know. I mean, if you...
Why do you keep doing that?
So guys, I don't know if you can tell, but he's a little bit white because it's definitely not his color, but we're gonna go in with some Bare Minerals Blemish Remedy. It uses it, kind of fills in your pores and stuff, and it's a little bit darker shade, and it's just gonna be some finishing powder for your face.
Yeah, so when my wife, she'll like hug me or whatever, that's why I hate it when she wears lipstick, because it gets all over me.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, shouts outs to his wife for being so awesome and letting him do this. That's great. Has she ever put makeup on you before?
No.
She should. It's kind of fun. Oh my gosh. Alright, so now I'm going to go up underneath your eyes.
I wouldn't say it's the ideal couples bonding. But...
Yeah. So I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Powder Contour Kit for light to medium skin. And I'm going to be using the color Banana, and I'm going to go up under his eyes, so yeah.
I love bananas.
A little banana. Get up
So,
under there.
my wife bought this makeup, right?
Yeah, what kind?
I don't know. But it smells like chocolate.
I'm back with that ambidextrous stuff.
Well, this is a lot of work. New appreciation of females and their makeup.
Well, I really like that your skin is like smooth though, because it's super easy to apply this stuff right now. And then I'm just gonna blend in your forehead a little bit. I'm going to be going in with the Tarte blush in color Party. Now I'm gonna do this palette. It's called the Changeable Fantasy Palette. I got it on Amazon for $10. Saving money. It has 39 shades in it, and we're gonna be doing kind of like a little shimmery eye. So first I'm gonna go in with this white kind of like translucent color and this little shiny color, and I'm gonna do that right underneath your brow bone to accentuate it.
My brow bone.
I have no idea what I'm talking about. And then on his crease of his eye, I'm gonna be doing this color and then go on with that more of a like plum color. I don't know, I'm probably colorblind. Give me your eyes. We love a colorful sister. Get it. Close your eye. My left hand is like tweaking. I'm gonna go in with this little shimmery color just because I feel like it. Alright, so now we're gonna be going in with this cream color. It's really shiny. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Ooh. So I'm just gonna be using my pinky to blend. So close your eye. And I'm just gonna be putting it on here. Yeah, those colors too. I'm gonna use those for your bottom lid, right? I'm gonna come in with this like little orange right here. I mean, I don't know why I just put that on there. Okay. So it's gonna look kind of gold right here. All right, close your eye. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. Yes. I didn't think I was actually gonna do good. For some reason, close it. I thought I was just gonna come in here and just jack your face up. No offense, like.
Oh really?
I was
not gonna go.
I was fully prepared to jack this. I'm just gonna finish up with this. Close. And then I'm gonna go in with this like little nude color right here, and I'm just gonna do that right here. Close. Just blend it all the way in. This side? This is trust on the deepest level. And next I'm going to be going in with my Becca highlighter in the color Champagne Pot. Alright guys, next I'm going to be going in with these Ardell Wispies multi-pack. I have this Duo Lash Glue, and I think it's like the pink pack or whatever. Pretty much it dries black. I think it's the best lash glue. And so I'm just going to kind of turn the eyelash in like this so it can form his eye better. Wait for the glue to dry, and then I'm going to apply it. And I got my tweezer out just in case, you know, I'm going to move things around.
Right.
Open just a little bit. Is it stuck on the bottom or anything?
No.
Alright, close. Make sure that it dries. I have such an easy time applying lashes to other people, but whenever it comes to putting lashes on myself, this is the hardest thing ever. I don't know why. I'm gonna be using just some regular schmegler L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I usually have Better Than Sex mascara. It's really expensive, but don't have any right now, so sorry. Drugstore. That is some good trust right there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty close to your eye. Feeling good? Those aren't very like heavy or anything. They're just kind of there. Alright, now I'm gonna do your bottom lashes. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Cool Girl. So
I think it's kind of ironic because I literally tell my wife all the time how much I hate it when she wears lipstick. I literally hate it when she wears lipstick. Not because it looks bad, I just don't like lipstick. It's messy, it gets places, the cups, the lipstick goes on the cups and stuff. And now I'm wearing lipstick, so I definitely owe her one.
So now we're gonna go in with this NYX Dewy Finish. Alright, now turn like this. Ooh, look at that highlight pop. Okay, turn like that. Oh! Okay, why am I screaming? Guys, so I hope you guys are living for his makeup right now. And I've got my wig. I got this off of Amazon. It was like $50. I think it's a 24-inch, and it's just a lace front that comes with the baby hairs already built in. So I've got my Got2b glue, and I've also got wig cap. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on him now. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation on here just to blend out his wig cap. I really don't know where I want the part to be yet, guys, so we're gonna have to figure that out. This is definitely going in your hair.
Awesome! Pretty hair.
I'm just gonna go ahead and slip the wig over really fast, but I'm gonna pull it back and I'm gonna wait to put my Got To Be glue on the front, and then once I flip it over, I'm going to lay the baby hairs down, okay? Ready?
Lego.
I'm gonna see where I want your part to sit.
Totally different now.
How's it in the back? Our wigs secured, okay? Our faces beat, okay? Oh my god, it looks so good already. Inches, you can never. So we're just gonna put Got To Be glue in his hairline. These little baby hairs can get out the way, so I can secure this. Oh my god, y'all, how good does his wig look? I didn't think I could like blend it that well, but I mean, I laid it down. What's your new name?
Lauren.
Lauren. Oh, Lauren the blonde. Oh.
Watch out for Lauren. Oh my god, I laid this dude's face down. Watch out. I need y'all to see how tall he is. This shit looks so crazy.
Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god.
Alright, let's see.
So guys, that's the final look. I hope you love it. Yes, you look so good.
I'm so beautiful.
Oh my god. Yo, damn, girl. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this look so much. Thank you guys for watching. And my camera's almost dead, so I'm about to go. But come in here, Lauren. Let's see your look one more time. Yes, yes. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and
Subscribe.